Oh, baby, how you find? All I need is my baby. I say I'm gonna get high.
Are you getting help from your friends? Are you receiving the referrals that you deserve, that you've worked so hard for on those transactions? Are you missing opportunities because you refuse to ask? You've done a great job, you've completed the transaction on time, and you have exceeded expectations. So ask for the referrals. Here's a quick tip on how to start getting back into the habit of talking to your clients and talking to your referral sources and your referral network about sending business to you. If you just take 10 minutes per day and identify that person or those 2 or 3 people who have been a consistent referral source for you, and take 10 minutes and pick up the phone and call them and just chat with them, get reconnected with them, and start doing that on a regular basis. If you do just 2 people a day and you start working through your past clients, you start working through your industry referral partners, you will start to see that those referrals will start trickling in from those that you haven't been in contact with. If you just make 2 calls a day, you do that every day of the week, you could contact 40 people in a month. And out of those 40 people, if you're talking to them about what's happening with their personal life, what's happening with the market, you'll start to see some referrals start trickling in. So start doing it. It's a good use of your time, and it'll get you on the way to start receiving those referrals again. Loan tip for today is a USDA direct loan. The reason it's called direct is it is a loan that I cannot broker to a bank. This is a loan that the borrower has to apply directly with USDA in order to obtain this kind of financing. The reason I'm sharing it with you today is because I think it can be a helpful tool, if you know about it, in order for you not to lose those motivated borrowers who maybe can't qualify for traditional, FHA conventional loans. The reason that this is such a great program is that USDA can subsidize the borrower's interest rate down to as low as 1% for a 30-year fixed loan. Now that borrower has to qualify, and there are certain income restrictions and limitations. There's also the USDA geographical limitations for that loan, and there is some fine print that they need to read about as far as repaying that subsidy, and there's certain terms of that subsidy. But in a lot of cases, this is a fantastic loan so that you can keep that buyer motivated who may not qualify for traditional bank financing. So if you've got questions about this USDA loan, send me an email with USDA in the subject line. I'll give you the contact information for the local USDA office, and you can get in touch with a loan specialist there, and they can help you and your buyer start getting down that road to getting that kind of financing in place for them. The process is slightly longer than your traditional loan with a bank or a broker, but I think in the end it's well worth it because you can capture some buyers and get them into homes that otherwise would have never been able to get a loan. So this is a great loan program that does not require down payment, does not have mortgage insurance. It is the absolute cheapest loan available out there for those who qualify for it. So check it out. It's a great program. Make sure to check out the poll question. I'm going to leave that up today and over the weekend to see how many more responses we can get from that. And then starting Monday, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down that poll question, and I'm going to do it over a series of days so that we can kind of see what's happened to our industry, who's really at fault, and why this will never happen again. Also, check out the links and docs section. Yesterday, it was just tremendously popular, the HUD FHA link to the required repairs. Click around on that page and you'll get the information you need to get that listing ready for FHA financing. It's something that you should do because FHA loans are about 90% now of the business that is happening out there. So get that property ready before you get it up on the market. Also, the HVCC petition is still there. Please click on that, forward it, get involved with that. And then also the link for the first-time home buyer credit to download that form to give to your buyers. Also, referral of the day today is Priority Appraising. Great appraisal company. I use them myself. They're quick, they're fast, they do a good job. And if you ever need an appraiser to do any kind of work for you, make sure you check them out. Their link is down below. Check out their website, email them, call them. They're great guys. You'll love to work with them. So remember, ask for those referrals. Make those 10-minute calls. Start tapping those sources and bringing in that referral business that you deserve. So make it a great weekend. I'll see you again on Monday. Thanks so much.